In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can log into your Coinsmart account. So watch this video till the end, hit subscribe to our channel, also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So to log into your Coinsmart account, you will firstly need to head over to the website of Coinsmart, which is coinsmart.com. As soon as you land on the website of Coinsmart, you can see an option to log into your account. Now you can enter in your email address that you used while creating your account. Now enter in your password. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on this forgot option and then retrieve your account. After you're done, hit login. And just like that, you will be logged into your Coinsmart account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.